The ICT University in Yaoundé, Cameroon, leading trends in digital technology that offers online and on-site learning at bachelor's, master's and PhD, is currently accepting applications for the summer semester beginning in July, fall semester in October and spring semester in March. This great university offers American standard degrees and certificates in the following disciplines: ICT, Business Management and Sustainable Development, International MBA, Accounting Information Technology, Software Engineering, Information Systems and Networking, Computer Science, Renewable Energy, Banking and Finance, Science of Education, a joint Master's PhD degree in Public Health, Cisco and Microsoft certification programs. Contact 651-060-049 or 678-764-037 or visit the website www.ictuniversity.org for details.
is a typical classroom setting, the traditional learning environment with direct physical interaction between student and instructor. Gaining popularity these days, though, is the virtual classroom.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Okay, good. We're good to go.
Smartphones that we are used to know them. And the days of
we have blended learning, we have virtual learning, we have online learning and distance education. Blended learning is a combination of online teaching and traditional methods of teaching. And then online teaching is basically online. This is the way to go, and this is the 21st century. The beauty about this is that it helps learners that cannot come here physically to learn from wherever they are. And the other good thing about it is that you can still see the teacher via video conferencing, the exact way that the student that has come here in a physical classroom is doing.
With e-learning, students can engage with online instructors and fellow students anywhere, on their own terms, at their own pace.
I leave home, for example, at 6:30, at times 5:30, and 6 o'clock, 6:30, I'm at my office. And I'm in my office through to around 3:30, 4. And at 4, we begin our classes most often than not at 5. That is online. On online, I just need to log in, and if the lecturer is around, I follow on. Be in my office, I just need to shut up my office to be able to avoid any visitor and all of that, and I'll follow my classes without any problem.
My regular day is from 7:30 in the morning. I find myself at my job site, and by 3, 4, I log on to the platform, the online platform, and I take my classes.
This is the favored method of learning for workers, employees, trainees.
You have students who are workers, so they would love to take their lectures and their courses in their offices and in their homes at their own convenience.
Actually, I am a director, and actually I don't really have time. So when I was told about ICT, when I also desired to further my education, I was really happy with the system.
It is my great honor to welcome to this podium His Excellency Senator Professor Ike Ikwerebadu. Welcome, my dear brother.
Your Excellency, the Secretary General of Higher Education, Republic of Cameroon, let me be the first to recognize you as such and to say congratulations on this attainment. The President of the Board of Trustees of this great university, my friend and all the great people who are making things happen here. The graduating students and parents, let me, as we say in Nigeria, stand on existing protocols, whatever that means. Before I go into my very brief speech, I would like to make 3 quick points, probably tell you 3 quick stories, and then I'll quickly take my speech. This morning, while we are waiting for this to start, we are having a conversation with one of our friends who came from the United States of America. And because we have not started at the time we are told we will start, so she got worried. But very politely, she complained about how we manage time in Africa. I was getting very uncomfortable. So by the grace of God, we had the bishop by my side. So he came to my aid. And I'm going to tell you how he responded. He said, well, in Africa, we're never late. What we do is we're flexible with time. Very ingenious answer. We're flexible with time, we're not late. yet. But for the graduating students, I want to appeal to you, please don't be flexible with time. But this time next year, we'll be doing the first anniversary, transiting from being flexible with time. The second is to the parents, guardians of the graduating students. I just want to say congratulations to each and every one of you. Today was a very exciting day for you. And let me tell the young graduates that there are moments in the life of parents. When I'm coming back, my wife was sick and she was so happy. So when we got home, my son now said to me, Daddy, that place mom is so more excited than myself over the admission. I said, son, yeah, that is the truth. That's when you grow up, when you become a parent, you understand it. Parents are more excited than their words and moments like this. They understand the implication. Every parent who have somebody here today will stay excited and fulfilled. And I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you. I got an email from the Vice Chancellor. Told me that I heard you raised the issue about the 20 minutes. But I would like to assure you that when you are speaking, so please listen to me, don't look at your watch. So on this note, let me also use the opportunity to welcome all the delegates from Nigeria, all our brothers and sisters who came from Nigeria for this event. Nigeria and Cameroon have shared great history, we've been friends, but sometimes we have competition, especially in football. Be assured that whenever Cameroon is not in World Cup, Nigeria will be there for you. And when you come, Nigeria will be there too to join you. So, I'm very grateful to this university, especially the president of the board, my friend Professor Barika, and Vice Chancellor for inviting me to share your joy today. I want to further commend Professor Barika and the rest of you who made it possible for the presidents of the ICT University, Baton Rouge, USA, to be established in Yaoundé. The world is now ruled by knowledge and technology, and Africa will remain eternally grateful to you all for ensuring you are not left behind. I'd like to take you through what I call the General Life Survival Manual. Sometimes I wonder what new I have to tell 21st century graduates. The whole company was launched, and later got 1,500 utilization payoff. It would have been tens of billions of dollars each today. So, always be patient. Always be patient. The next class must be humble when you eventually succeed. The disciples of Christ will often engage in the arguments of who was the greatest among them. In one particular instance, according to the account by Matthew, Christ tells them that the greatest shall be the servant, for whoever exalts himself shall be humbled, and whoever humbles himself shall be exalted. In my own instance, I was chosen as the chairman of my 8th grade when I was 9 years old. I occupied the office for 30 years. I was subsequently elected as the president of my community's Can Union when I was 30. I held the position for so many years. In the course of that, I became the secretary of the committee set up by several communities agitating for the creation of a new local government area from our local government area of the States. Instructively, I was the youngest on that committee, but they chose me to make the presentation before the federal government panel for the creation of local governments. When I was eventually created, the elders of the local government came to me and said they want me to take honor of being the pioneer chairman of that local government to be elected. I was there at 5. I was never expecting that honor. In fact, my family had to request for time to think about it. I was then a legal practitioner. I contested the election. I was elected the first chairman of my new local government council. I was sworn in April 1997. Well, we did our best, and I was voted the best local government chairman in the Enugu State at the time. I moved on to become the chief of staff of the Enugu State Government House at the age of 37, and secretary to state government at 39. At 41, I was already into the Nigerian Senate. Even at that, I'm at home with the ordinary people of my constituency, and I give due respect to all and sundry. Now, I love you, the voice shouted. I love you, the voice came rolling from the mountain again. You are so wonderful, the boy shouted again. He gave the same response. you read that, then the father calmly explains, son is called echo. But this is real life. Life always gives back what you give out.